whooping cough. It seems to be coming back. I just had a little kid, a month old, get whooping cough. And the reason is, at least I think it is, some parents are not giving, or trying not to give, some vaccines, and one has pertussis inside. And some of the older kids are starting to get whooping cough because the vaccine that we gave as a baby is worn off, and now we have a new vaccine that can give it to the adolescents. Is that true?
This is very true. In fact, whooping cough never really went away. We always saw a few cases every year, and that underscored the fact that we need to continue giving vaccination to protect against whooping cough. It's been our experience every single disease, with every single vaccine we give, that the minute we slack off in our vigilance in giving the vaccine to all children, these diseases come back. Mother Nature does not like to be put in a box and stored on a shelf. It will come back every time it can.
The original whooping cough we had when I first in the practice, there were great concerns. It could cause encephalitis. There was a death rate. The newer vaccine, the acellular version, seems to be extremely safe. I can't really tell you if I heard any real complications that I'm aware of. So we went from great concern about a vaccine to just a little bit of concern. Is that true?
That's very true. We have developed a newer vaccine for pertussis, the acellular vaccine, which is now the standard given by all pediatricians and all physicians. It is a vaccine that's much safer than the old vaccine. It is also more effective than the old vaccine. And so where once there were concerns about side effects and reactions to the vaccine, in this case, those concerns are no longer present, and the new vaccine is far safer and more effective.